Alright folks, this is Fat Guy Flyers RC. We're here at the Avon Park field again. Today we're going to take up the Carbon Cub S2. This is the new iteration of it with the Smart ESC. I've got her in advanced mode. You know what I'm going to do? Let's put her in
intermediate mode, beginner mode.
We'll put her in beginner mode. Let me get her turned around. You see that green light on the front? That shows that she's in beginner mode. So we're going to take off in beginner mode and fly her around. Now, I want to show you something. I'm trying my best to bank it, but she will not go all the way around. So
Intermediate mode, experience mode.
I gotta put her back in experience mode. Sorry folks. Yeah, I can't. I've added the flaps, but with this receiver, it doesn't allow you to do traditional flap mixing. And so I got the flaps in and a 2-second deployment. So I haven't really been able to do anything with a mix. So let me see. Yeah, she balloons immediately. So yeah, I'll be honest folks. I mean, I'm not trying to be a bad spokesperson or anything like that. I'm not a spokesperson for anybody except for myself. Oh, that's bouncy. But I don't like the receiver. This beginner, intermediate, the safe receiver. I would prefer just a traditional safe select receiver, and then just have the A3X, so I could do a better mix. I'm sure there's a way of doing it, but I haven't discovered it yet. But tell you what we'll do. We'll do takeoff flaps and experience mode. Oh yeah, she balloons. Like I said, I'm in experience mode right now, so there's your nice knife edge. Yeah, I was right. You really don't need flaps with it, because she's such a light little plane. Look how nice she flies along, just so nice. But this airframe is the ParkZone Sport Cub S2. Same airframe, you know. And but so many people. I had one of my viewers, I think it was maybe Mr. Carl. I'm sorry, sir, I don't remember your name. I have so many people, and he asked me, he said, why do you have so many high wing type planes, and you already have that plane, you know, in the Sport Cub S2, why did you get it? And I just basically said, well, number one, I love the airframe. You know, I do love this airframe, this Cub. And basically, that so many people ask me questions about this plane. So I figured, you know, so many people want to ask me questions about it. So many people just assume I had it. And I said, well, I guess maybe I better get it, since so many people want to know about it. They want to see me fly it. And then I thought, well, you know, the other thing too, I can show what it's capable of, you know, from a self-taught standpoint. And so if you're thinking about getting this plane, if you're an experienced pilot and you've had a lot of Cubs, you don't really need to mess with it. But if you're a beginner, then yeah, it's a great plane. It's probably one of the best trainers there is. It's got plenty of power. And very responsive. I love the ESC. I'm running a Spektrum Smart 2200, which is what's recommended for it. You know, easy to put together. Very easy to put together. There, she'll fly inverted for you. And just a fun plane. The other thing too is, like I said, I do love this airfoil. Try to get her a... I do love this airfoil, or this airframe, and I just got to work on this flap situation. Try to figure out how to get up over that sun there. Feel a knife edge all day long. There. Let's see if I can do a knife edge all the way around. I can. I went all the way around. Almost all the way around there. All right, that's where I started. All right. Nice coordinated turn there. All right. Oh, time's over. Time is past. Whoa. There, that's a bouncy turn. That's a bouncy one. Well, that's okay. That's okay. All right. That was fun. Get turned around here. All right. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Carbon Cub S2. Put out by HobbyZone, sold by Horizon Hobby. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Motor off. Well, hold on.
Motor off.
Motor off. Okay. Thank you for watching, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. And that's a nice little plane there. I definitely recommend it for a beginner. And you don't need flaps, but that's just me. Thank you for watching. Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe.